Now the question number 4 is in figure x plus y equals to w plus z, that is x plus y equals to w plus z. Then prove that AOB is a line, that is we have to prove that AOB is a straight line. Here, because x plus y equals to w plus z, we know that the complete angle is of 360 degree. Therefore x plus y plus w plus z equals to 360 degree, that is complete angle. Now x plus y equals to w plus z, so we can write it as x plus y equals to 360, because w plus z equals to x plus y. Now x and x are 2x plus 2y equals to 360 degree. Now 2 is common, therefore x plus y equals to 360 degree. Now x plus y is 360 divided by 2, which is equals to 180 degree. Now x plus y is a 180 degree. Here x plus y are adjacent angle and sum of these angle is 180, so these form a linear pair, because x and y forms a linear pair. Therefore AOB is a line, hence proved. Now question number 5 is in figure POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular, that is of 90 degree. OS is another ray lying between ray OP and OR. We have to prove that. Here angle ROQ equals to 90 degree, that is given, and we have to prove that angle ROS equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS, that is we have to prove this. Now angle POR plus angle ROQ equals to 180 degree by linear pair. Now ROQ equals to 90 degree, so POR plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle POR equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equals to 90 degree. Now from proof we take the left hand side. Now to prove is angle ROS equals to half of angle QOS minus angle P of S. Now take right hand side. We take right hand side and prove that it is equals to left hand side. Now right hand side is half of angle QOS minus angle P of S equals to 1 by 2 angle QOS can be written as ROS plus QOS can be written as ROS plus ROQ. So we write it as ROS plus ROQ minus angle POS. It can be written as POR minus ROS. Angle POR minus angle ROS, which is equals to 1 by 2 angle ROS plus ROQ equals to 90 degree. So 90 degree minus angle POR is also equals to 90 degree, minus plus angle ROS. Now 90 and 90 cancel out. which is equals to 1 by 2 ROS and ROS 2 time of angle ROS. Now 2 and 2 cancel out, which is equals to ROS, which is equals to left hand side. Now right hand side equals to left hand side, because right hand side equals to left hand side, hence proved. Now question number 6. It is given that XYZ is of 64 and XY is produced to a point P. Here XYZ angle is of 64 degree. XYZ is of 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. So it is produced to another point P. Draw a figure from the given information, that is we have to draw the figure. If ray YQ bisect ZYP, here ZYP and ray YQ bisect it, that is these angles are equal, and find XYQ and reflex of QYP. Now we know that it is a straight line and some of these angles are equal. Let first angle ZYQ equals to X, because ZYQ equals to QYP, because YQ bisects angle ZYP. This is a reason. Now therefore ZYQ equals to QYP equals to X. Now sum of these angles, that is ZYQ plus QYP plus XYZ equals to 180 degree by supplementary angles. Now ZYQ is X, QYP is also X, XYZ is of 64 degree, which is equals to 180. Now X plus X is 2X. 2X plus 64 degree equals to 180. Now 2X equal 180 minus 64. Now by subtracting this we get 611, that is 2X equals to 116. Now X equals to 116 by 2. Here 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. Now X equals to 58. Therefore angle ZYQ equals to QYP equals to 58 degree. Now we have to find XYQ. XYQ equals to XYZ plus ZYQ. XYZ plus ZYQ. Now XYZ is of 64 plus 58, which is equals to 122. Now reflex of angle QYP. We know that reflex can be found from subtracting complete angle minus of that angle, which is equals to 360 degree minus 58 degree, which is equals to 302 degree.